Yeah, for this machine, do you know how many tons is this one?
I guess it's about 500 tons.
No, it's small. For this one, for this one it's 120.
Oh, 120.
No. 1,200. 1,200 tons. Yes, you're right.
This is
Yeah.
a middle one.
Mid one machines. Yes, you're right. And now it's on working, and now one working. For this one now, besides of the window code, we also have the water code.
Water code.
Yeah, water code actual movement. Yes, it can make the hard ease with T6. Okay, let's go to C. Let's go to yeah. Okay. Okay, here it's very hot, so we need to take care. Yeah. Okay, you can see that now the machine. This one is for the window coating. The window coating is with some with two fans. With two fans. Yeah. This one.
It's water code.
Yeah. You can.
It also
You show to customer. Yeah.
it also makes aluminum extrusion more harder after this water code, right?
Yeah. It can with the water code. It can make when the aluminum profile is get out of the machines, it's very hot of the aluminum profile. So with the wind and also with the water, it can make the aluminum profile to get cold very fast. Then for the water experiment, it can make the heat with the temperature getting down faster. So it can make the aluminum profile with more high hardness. So it can be produced the aluminum profile with T6 hardness.